Hey, beautiful people! Are you tired of spending tons of money on skincare products that just don't deliver? Do you want glowing, healthy skin without all the harsh chemicals? Well, stick around because today, I'm revealing the top 5 best natural and organic skincare ingredients you need to know for flawless, radiant skin. And guess what? These ingredients are probably already in your kitchen or just a store visit away. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with a skincare superstar, Aloe Vera. You probably know this one already, aloe vera. This green magic is packed with antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E, and has crazy hydrating powers. But seriously, this plant deserves all the hype it gets. Aloe vera has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible soothing and healing properties. Remember that time you accidentally got a sunburn? Ouch, right? Aloe vera to the rescue. It instantly cools and calms the skin, reducing redness and inflammation. And the best part, it's suitable for all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, aloe vera can benefit your skincare routine. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin, yet effective enough to deliver real results. Now, let's talk about what this magical plant can do for your skin. Aloe vera is a humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture like a boss. This makes it an excellent ingredient for hydrating and plumping up the skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and dewy. But wait, there's more. Aloe vera also contains powerful antioxidants that help protect your skin from environmental damage caused by free radicals. Think of antioxidants as your skin's personal bodyguards, shielding it from pollution, UV rays, and other aggressors that can age your skin prematurely. And if you struggle with acne or blemishes, aloe vera can be your new best friend. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and even fight acne-causing bacteria. It's like a calming balm for your skin, reducing breakouts and promoting a clearer, healthier complexion. Now you might be wondering, how can I incorporate aloe vera into my skincare routine? Well, my friends, it's super easy. Next up, Rosehip Oil. This underrated beauty gem is your go-to for anti-aging. Rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin C, it helps to reduce fine lines, boost collagen, and fade dark spots. Plus, it's lightweight and absorbs super fast. Now let's talk about why this oil is a must-have in your anti-aging arsenal. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin A potent antioxidant that helps to speed up cell turnover and promote collagen production. Collagen is like the scaffolding that keeps our skin firm and youthful. As we age, our collagen production naturally declines, leading to fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. But fear not, because rosehip oil is here to save the day. But wait, there's more. Rosehip oil is also a fantastic source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that brightens the skin, fades hyperpigmentation, and protects against environmental damage. Hyperpigmentation, those pesky dark spots and acne scars that we all know and loathe, can be significantly improved with regular use of rosehip oil. And here's a bonus. Rosehip oil is also incredibly hydrating and nourishing without clogging pores. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, making it an excellent choice for all skin types, even those with oily or acne-prone skin. So, how can you incorporate this anti-aging superstar into your skincare routine? It's simple. After cleansing and toning your face, apply a few drops of rosehip oil to your skin, gently massaging it in upward circular motions. You can use it in the morning or evening, or even both. I personally love using it in the evening after a long day to give my skin an extra boost of hydration and rejuvenation. And here's a pro tip. Rosehip oil also works wonders on scars and stretch marks. Its regenerative properties help to minimize the appearance of these imperfections, leaving your skin smoother and more even-toned. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about honey. Not just any honey, make sure it's raw and organic. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin and locks it in. It's also antibacterial, so it's perfect for fighting acne while giving you that sweet, dewy glow. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural beauty remedy, and for good reason. It's like a multitasking skincare superhero that can tackle a wide range of skin concerns. First and foremost, honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture like a magnet. This makes it incredibly hydrating for the skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and oh so dewy. But that's not all. Honey is also a natural antibacterial and antimicrobial agent, making it a fantastic ingredient for those with acne-prone skin. It helps to keep bacteria at bay, preventing breakouts and promoting a clearer complexion. And if you struggle with dry or irritated skin, honey can be incredibly soothing and calming. It helps to reduce inflammation, redness, and irritation, leaving your skin feeling balanced and healthy. Now you might be wondering, Hiram, how do I use honey on my skin? Well, my friends, there are a few ways you can incorporate this liquid gold into your skincare routine. One of my favorite ways to use honey is as a face mask. Simply apply a thin layer of raw, organic honey to clean, dry skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water and marvel at your glowing complexion. You can also use honey as a spot treatment for blemishes. Just dab a small amount of honey onto the affected area and leave it on overnight. You'll wake up to a less inflamed and irritated blemish. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even add a teaspoon of honey to your bathwater for a luxurious and moisturizing experience. Your skin will thank you for it. Chapter 4. Your cup of tea isn't just good for sipping, it's amazing for your skin too. Green tea extract is packed with antioxidants that help combat signs of aging, reduce puffiness, and even help calm acne. You can use it as a toner or in face masks to tighten and refresh your skin. Green tea has long been hailed for its numerous health benefits, but did you know that it's also a skincare superstar? Green tea extract, derived from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly a group called catechins. These catechins are like the superheroes of the skincare world, fighting off free radicals and protecting your skin from premature aging. One of the most well-known catechins in green tea is epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. EGCG is a potent antioxidant that has been shown to have incredible anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. It helps to reduce redness, soothe irritation, and combat those pesky fine lines and wrinkles. But wait, there's more. Green tea extract also helps to control oil production, making it an excellent ingredient for those with oily or acne-prone skin. It helps to unclog pores, reduce shine, and prevent future breakouts. And if you're struggling with under-eye puffiness or dark circles, green tea extract can come to your rescue. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce puffiness, while its caffeine content helps to constrict blood vessels, minimizing the appearance of dark circles. Now, you might be wondering, Hiram, how can I incorporate green tea extract into my skincare routine? Well, my friends, it's super versatile. You can find green tea extract in a variety of skincare products, including cleansers, toners, serums, and moisturizers. Look for products that list green tea extract high on the ingredient list for maximum benefits. Chapter 5. Last but not least, shea butter. This rich, creamy ingredient is perfect for deep hydration. It's full of vitamins and fatty acids that nourish your skin, making it smooth, soft, and super moisturized. Perfect for dry skin, and it works wonders in winter months. Shea butter is like a warm hug for your skin, especially during the harsh winter months when our skin craves extra moisture. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamins, making it an incredibly nourishing and moisturizing ingredient for all skin types, but especially those with dry or dehydrated skin. One of the key components of shea butter is its high concentration of oleic acid, a fatty acid that helps to lock in moisture and keep the skin hydrated for longer periods. This makes it an excellent choice for those with dry, flaky, or eczema-prone skin. But shea butter doesn't stop there. It's also rich in linoleic acid, another fatty acid that helps to soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and even out skin tone. This makes it a great ingredient for those with sensitive or irritated skin. And if you're battling scars or stretch marks, shea butter can be your new best friend. Its rich vitamin E content helps to promote cell regeneration and minimize the appearance of scars, leaving your skin smoother and more even-toned. Now, you might be wondering, Hiram, how can I incorporate shea butter into my skincare routine? Well, my friends, it's super easy. You can find shea butter in its pure form at most health food stores or online. One of my favorite ways to use shea butter is as a body moisturizer. After showering or bathing, apply a generous amount of shea butter to your skin, massaging it in circular motions until it's fully absorbed. Your skin will be left feeling incredibly soft, smooth, and hydrated. And there you have it! The top 5 best natural and organic skincare ingredients that will transform your skin naturally. Remember, beautiful skin doesn't have to come from a bottle full of chemicals. Nature's got your back. Incorporating these incredible ingredients into your skincare routine can make a world of difference in the health and appearance of your skin. Remember to always listen to your skin and choose products that are right for your skin type and concerns. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare tips and beauty secrets. And don't forget to share your favorite natural ingredient in the comments. Let's glow together!